So, my brother, he recently installed the Instagram application, and yes, he created an account there too. And now he simply wants to change his email address on Instagram. So, yes, he was like, Ekta, do you have any video for it? And I was like, no, bro, but I'm creating one for you. And yes, if you are having that same issue about how to change your Instagram email, or you don't know how to change your email address on Instagram, then yes, it's the correct video. And yes, let's get started. So first, go into your Instagram. Well, it says life is hard but so very beautiful, and correctly said. So if you want to change your email address, you simply go on the profile photo that is displayed at the bottom right and have a click on it. Okay, now click on that option of edit profile. Yes, now you go on that option of personal information settings highlighted by the blue color and have a click on it. And yes, tab on that email address option. And yes, it says this is the current email address and I want to change it. So I simply write the new email address for my Instagram. And done. When you are done, just like me, then have a click on the blue tick item at the top right. And yes, it says check your email, follow the link in the email that we sent to this one to confirm your email address and help secure your account. So you simply click on that OK option. Okay, and now you click on that. Okay, you have that notification already. So yes, it says me the email has been sent by Instagram. It says you updated your email address to this one and confirm your email address to continue capturing and sharing your moments with the world, and simply click on that blue thing that says confirm email address. Open with Instagram, and yes, it says we have confirmed as the email address for your Instagram account. And yes, this was this video about how to change your email on Instagram. If you find it helpful, then please make sure to hit like. This is me, Ekta, signing off. Have a great day.